This lesson is pie graphs using board number 34, the protractor, dry erase markers and cloth, and the fraction circles. On board number 34 you can see that we have 4 circles laid out. They're all equal size so that we can make conversions between fractions, percent, and degrees. In the top right corner, in the percent circle, I have 5/12ths placed on the circle. Now this is not an exact science to try to be able to calculate 5/12ths to percentages on this board. This is used to check your answers. You can see the calculations in the textbook in the lesson, but this is good confirmation that when you convert 5/12ths to a percent, it's approximately 42%. So students can use 5 1/12 pieces to confirm their answers. If you look in the bottom left corner, you can also see that 1/3 of a circle is exactly equal to 120 degrees. Again, the calculation is in the textbook, where you can make a calculation that 1/3 of 360 total degrees is equal to 120. So this board will allow you to make conversions between fractions, percent, and degrees, but it will also help you make and design pie graphs. If we look at example number 2 for creating pie graphs, we can see that there are 5 students listed in the table. And what we're trying to do here is we're trying to create a pie graph that shows the percentage of votes earned by each person. So in the chart we see that student number 1 received 12 of the total 72 votes, which is the equivalent of 1/6. I've placed a 1/6 piece on the fraction circle, beginning at the very top, aligning this edge at 0, and you can see that 1/6 is equal to where this line ends. In addition, we have student number 2 has 18 votes, and 18 out of 72 is equal to 1/4. The next student received 24 votes out of 72, which was 1/3. The 4th student received 6 votes, which is 1/12, and the 5th student received 1/6 of the votes, which was 12. We can also see that when we add all of the students, all 5, that they total 100% of the votes, and they complete a perfect circle. In the manual, we've tried to use numbers that are easy to create pie graphs for, and the fractions are very simple, and the fraction pieces are available to answer these problems easily. However, once we get past the concrete nature of creating pie graphs with the fraction pieces, you can move students to more abstract problems where they have to make the calculations that are listed in the manual. This is how you use board number 34 to create pie graphs.